Recycling existing articles for new content creation is a valuable strategy that can save time and effort while also maximizing the value of your content. By repurposing content, you can create fresh and engaging content without having to start from scratch. Using services like Killbot can be particularly helpful for this process. This tool uses AI to analyze your existing content and generate new content based on the original one. This can include rewriting sentences, changing word choices, and even generating new ideas. Here are some reasons why you may consider recycling existing articles. Repurposing content saves time and effort. Writing new content from scratch can be time-consuming and exhausting. Repurposing existing content allows you to create new content quickly and with less effort. You can reach a new audience. Repurposing your content allows you to reach a new audience who may have missed your original content. By presenting the information in a new format or with a new angle, you can attract a new group of readers or viewers. You can improve SEO. Repurposing content can also help improve your website's SEO by creating more opportunities for keywords and backlinks. By using tools like Killbot, you can generate new content that is optimized for search engines. When using tools like Killbot, it's important to keep in mind that the generated content may not always be perfect. You'll need to review and edit the new content to ensure that it's high quality and fits with your brand voice.